is your name?
Okay, so I'll introduce myself now. 1 minute. Okay, I am Sheba. I am. What's my name? Huh? Did you get my name?
Your noise is not clear.
My name is Sheba. Can you hear me?
Sheba, yes.
Okay, so I'll be dealing with you GS. In first standard, already you have learned something. And do anyone remember any of the topic which you learned last year in GS? Anything that you learned in GS? What all the things you learned? Can you just recall last year?
Family.
Yeah, about your family you have learned. Then
Plants.
about plants. Okay.
Body parts.
Yeah, parts of our body. Very good. So all these things you remember. Still more we need to study. So every year we will be dealing with same kind of topic, but you will go deeper and deeper with that same topic. You will learn more and more. Okay? So we have already finished 2-3 months. We have already learned Maths, English, Malayalam, all these subjects. So GS is newly introduced to you, isn't it?
Yes.
So we will learn this year, this chapter which I'm going to teach you is, I'll just write and share. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, we went right.
No need to write, just listen. All what you have to write, I will send in the WhatsApp. Should it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
So our lesson is 1 minute. My gosh.
Ma'am, which page?
I'll do it. Okay. We are going to learn about how to care plants and animals. What are we going to learn?
How to
How to? How to
care plants
care plants and animals. Okay.
Animals.
So now we will learn the chapter name. Have you all got your textbook with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you can open page number 41.
Okay, ma'am.
Page number 41.
Okay, ma'am. 41.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. My gosh. Lesson 8 or chapter 8. Okay? And what's the name of our lesson?
Caring for plants
Caring for
and animals.
plants
Caring for plants and animals.
and animals. Do you have plants at home? Do you have?
Yes.
How many of you have gardens in your house? It can be vegetable gardens, it can be flower garden, or there will be a lot of cultivation. So you have seen lots of plants, isn't
Ma'am,
it?
I see.
Yeah. So,
I see.
and you know some of the names also. While last year, while you were coming in the school bus, you might have seen on the roadside plenty of plants and trees, isn't it?
Yeah.
You might have seen plenty of plants and trees. Some you may know the names, some you may not know, and you have seen you at home you may have some fruit trees. Which are the fruit trees you have?
And the tree.
Which are the fruit trees you have?
Passion. Tree. Mango tree.
Mango,
Passion.
jackfruit. Yeah, some will have apple tree. Have everyone seen apple tree?
Yes, ma'am.
Orange. What is that? 41. 41. I'm just sharing with you some of the general information.
Mangosteen.
Yeah, mangosteen. Very good. See, all these fruit trees are there. Can you tell me the common flower plants which we have at home?
Yes.
Yeah, tell me.
Rose.
Rose,
Sunflower.
sunflower,
Marigold. Jasmine.
jasmine,
Lily.
lily.
Jasmine.
So all these are the common
Yes.
flower plants we have at home.
Yes.
There are many more flower plants which we are not
Hibiscus.
Yeah, different varieties of roses you will have, varieties of lilies you will have, and we have crops like in the field when we go, the cultivation, the vegetables, the vegetable plants. Which are the vegetable plants we have? Which are the vegetable plants we have?
Lady finger. Brinjal. Lady finger. Brinjal. Potato.
Potato. Say potato.
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 Tomato.
Tomato.
Potato. Carrot.
Yeah, carrot. All these things are there at
Beans.
home. So you are aware of some of the plants, and here we are going to learn how to take care of these plants. Do you all do gardening? Do you all help your mother or father?
Yes.
Whoever is doing the gardening?
Yes.
How do you help your parents in gardening? How do you help?
We will help to watering.
Yeah. Nora said she will help the parents to water the plants, then others.
And we. Ma'am, I will clean. We will help to put the seed. We will help to put the seed.
Yeah. After, once they prepare the yard or the pot, you will help them to plant the seeds in it. Okay, very good. Then what all the things you can help? How do we can take care of the plants? Tell me. Tell me now. Heaven Jose, what are you doing there? Listen to the class. See, we are eating food, isn't it?
Yes.
We all eat food. We drink water. Same way, we have to treat our plants.
Ma'am, we will remove the grasses.
Yeah, we have to clean the places so that our plants grow nicely. If the grass are there, they will choke the plants. And we give manure. We give manure for the plants so that they grow healthy. We eat food for to be healthy, to grow nicely. Same way, the plants also need food. What is their food? The manure which we give. Okay, what do you mean by manure? The things, the essential things that the plants need to grow.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? So, these are the things we see. Now, we have to look around. You have to go out of your house,
Ma'am.
the road. Just get out of your room. Just watch around. There will be many plants and trees about which you are not aware of. You may see small plants having a beautiful, small, tiny, colorful flowers.
Yes.
We will look into the things when I ask you. You all will answer immediately. Which are the plants you have at home? Rose, lily, jasmine, flower, all this. But there will be in our garden tiny flowers with beautiful color and shape which we have not even noticed. Okay? We may say it's a grass. Even some types of grass will have beautiful flowers. Some types of weeds will have beautiful flowers. We won't know their name. Okay? But we should know how to take care of the plants and the animals. And I would like everyone to join with your parents to prepare a beautiful flower garden or a vegetable garden at home. Will you all do that?
Yes.
At least one plant you should take care. Can you? At least one plant you should take care. That is your plant. And you should tell me how you are observing its growth. Can you do it?
Yes.
Plant one seed. It can be a vegetable seed. It can be a flower seed or a tiny sapling of a plant. You manure it, you water it, and every day watch how it is growing. Okay? Whichever plants you like, Rex Joe, what happened, Rex Joe? Someone is disturbing you there? Who is there close to you? Okay, so all of you in my class will plant a sapling or a seed and observe the growth of the plant and tell me what all the things you did for the plants to grow. So this is how we are going to learn. When I take a lesson, when I say we have to dig the mud, you have to plant the seed, you have to water it daily, you have to put manure, remove the weeds and grass around, it is easy to learn by heart. But we experiment and we will learn. Is it okay with you? If you don't have a flower pot or a mud pot, you cut, if you have a plastic bottle at home, poke some holes, fill the mud. You do according to how you can take care of the plant. No need to buy. You use whatever you have at home to plant the seed or plant a small sapling. Avantika and Anamika, are you able to understand me? Avantika and Anamika?
Yes.
Can follow me? Am I very fast? Are you able to follow me?
Yes.
All of you?
Yes.
Are you able to understand what I say?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
If you cannot get my point, please raise your hands and say, ma'am, You didn't get it. Okay? You have to tell me that you didn't get what I am telling you. So this is what I said we are going to learn from this chapter, how to take care of the plants. So one activity I gave you before I already started, I said we have different types of plants at home, maybe the trees. And I asked you a question, how you take care of the plants. Now I request you, as part of our chapter, to plant a seed or a small sapling and see every day its growth. And you tell me, how did you took care of the plant? Okay? Daily watering, manuring, whatever. And I will teach you how to really take care of the plants. And let us see whether what you did was correct or what I taught was correct. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Tomorrow, that is, it's a slow process. You have to show me later how your plant is grown. Okay? Within a day, will the plant grow?
No.
It will take a month at least. If a seed is planted, buried in the ground, it will take at least 1 month, maybe 2 weeks to sprout out. Okay, but for next class, I'll request you all to write. I'll share in the board.
Can I write?
No, this is the homework. Please write names of 10 you understand?
Yes.
You have to write 10 names of 10 types of flower plants.
Our plant and
It can be there in your garden or whichever you know, you might have seen in a picture.
I mean the notebook we want write.
No, you write it in a rough book. Okay, notebook
Okay,
I will
ma'am.
start. When I start writing your notes, I will tell you to write in the notebooks. So, see, we have a family?
Yes.
We have a family, isn't it? Do you think the plants have a family of theirs?
Yes. Yes.
So now we are going to search for which family they belong to. Okay, how we can take care of each plant according to their family background. See, we will know, looking at you, I can say, okay, you are the child of that family. Your father's name, your mother's name, your family name will be there. Then I can tell, okay, you belong to that particular family. The same way, plants also have their
Family. Families.
family. Okay, so we will not go so deeper, but we will try to understand the family of each plant. Okay? So
Okay, ma'am.
you will write 10 names of 10 flower plants. I didn't say fruit or vegetables. I said flower plants.
Plants.
Flowers. Okay?
Yes.
We have variety of flowers. Some you know, some you have to search. You have to get the help of your parents. Or you can search in a book or in a chart, or you may have a picture chart. So you can get the names of the flowers. Okay? So this is, are you tired?
No.
Abel Rinson, please, children, don't use the chat box unnecessarily. Okay? Not supposed to use the chat box unnecessarily. If it is, then Suddenly I will be. Okay, now I don't want the names. Amayas, I don't want the names now. Tomorrow, for the next class, you will write 10 names of 10 types of 10 types of flower plants.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so we are going to learn how to take care of the plants. Once you tell me the names, I will tell you how to take care of each plant like this. So we are going to learn what is happening around us. See, for many months we have not gone out, isn't it? Did you all go out during the autumn vacation? How many of you went out? How many of you went out?
Nobody.
I think many of you went out to celebrate the Onam, isn't it?
Nobody.
Nobody went? Oh, then you are good children.
Coronavirus is there.
Okay. Thank you for that. So I'm so happy that you all are aware of what is happening around us. So you won't know the growth of the plants, what is happening there outside, but from your courtyard or from in front of your house, you can watch out the greenery, how they are, even the small and the bigger plants. And you have to just imagine how these grow. So first, I'll just tell you to put a seed in a ground, what we have to do. What we have to do. We have to prepare the ground. Maybe you are planning to plant a seed in a flower pot. So you have to fill that pot with mud and manure. If it is in the yard, the ground should be dug nicely and you have to mix the manure and make the mud soft. Then you plant the seed inside, cover it, sprinkle the water and leave it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, if it is a sapling, if it is a small sapling, same way you have to do, and you plant the sapling nicely, cover the root of that sapling, then you water it and you keep it aside.
Ma'am? Ma'am?
Yeah, tell me.
A teacher's card.
Pardon? Wow, Nora, very nice. You did it?
Yes.
Beautiful creation. Let us all give a clap to Nora. She has prepared a beautiful teacher's wish greeting card. So very nice. I'm so happy to see that. I love that. If the school was there, I would have received it.
Mom, in this small dots now. That small dots my grandmother and grandfather helped.
Wow, so cheers to your grandfather and your grandmother. Tell them your card looks so beautiful and tell them that I appreciated both of them for helping you to create a beautiful card like this.
Yes.
Okay? So thanks to your grandparents and for you. Very nice. Very nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, dear. Okay, so today is our day. So we are proud to stand in front of you. We are happy to teach you. Okay? So, yeah, tell me. And I saw your classes somewhere taking classes, isn't it? Wow, see, Serafin Maria. Serafina Maria also is having a plant. Very good, very good. I'm so happy. Serafina Maria, please make the plant to grow. Wow. See, I could see some of the garden. See, Ameya is showing me a plant. Very good. And I should see the growth of that plant, okay? As it is growing, in between you have to show me.
Ma'am?
Tell
My
me.
house is
Who is
there
calling
one
me?
garden.
Agnes. Tell me, what is Agnes?
My house is there one garden.
Yeah, see, I will see your beautiful girl. Wow, Serafina Maria is having plenty of plans. Very good, very good. And I want all my little boys. Where are they? They are not at all there. Aiden is smiling. Aiden is having a cute smile. Okay, Aiden, you should plant, okay? Plant the sapling and see the growth of the plant. And where is my Rex Joe? Rex also will plant. And where are the others? Arfin Ali Hussain, you also will plant and show me. Abel, Haven Joes, all these people, okay? These are simply sitting there. Tell me, who's calling me, ma'am? Who is that? Aiden. Tell me, Aiden.
Aiden,
Yeah, Aiden, tell me.
I grow tomato.
Pardon? I didn't hear you.
I planted a tomato.
Very good. So when the tomato is there, when the tomato is come up, you
There
have to
was
show me that.
tomatoes.
There are tomatoes?
There was tomatoes.
Wow, I would like to see that. One day you should show me that.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I'll photo.
You can share the photo to me, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Tell me, Rex Joe, tell me. Tell me.
My father
Ah,
made the
ah.
chili.
Oh, you have chili plant. I should visit all your houses. I think once Corona is gone, I should visit the house and see the plants, vegetables that you're cultivating. See, Ameya also is showing me beautiful plants. So I'm so happy that my children are interested in gardening and loving the plants. It's really good to take care and love the plants. Okay? So that gives us more fresh air and makes our lives beautiful.
Ma'am,
Yes, Ameya?
what is your name?
My name is Sheba. Did you hear?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, Seraphina, I saw it. I think that is beetroot. Yeah. Okay, see, I love gardening. I like to plant a lot of plants. I used to cultivate all these vegetables. And at home we had good plants, flower plants. Okay, so this gives us more life, happiness. When we plant, when we see the growth of the plants, it gives us happiness. When we see the seed is growing, we feel happy, isn't it? As it sprouts, yes, it's coming up, and we'll see the small 2 leaves, then slowly it's coming out, and once it is a grown-up plant, beautiful flowers will be there, and when we see the color and smell of the flowers, oh, good feeling we have, isn't it? Yeah. So all of you should have your own plants. See, Ameya is having a beautiful garden. Did you see?
Ma'am.
Yeah. Serafina, tell me.
Ma'am.
Yeah, I'm so happy. Even Ameya is having a plant behind her. Where she's sitting, I could see a plant. Yes, tell me, dear. Who is calling me? Someone called and now they're not talking. Okay, I'm so happy. At least few of the beautiful rose. Ameya is showing me a beautiful red rose. Did everyone see that? Did you see? Wow. It's really, really, really beautiful. I could feel it. I'm so happy to see that.
Ma'am.
Yes?
My house also flower.
Okay, Rex Joe, you should show me next time. Okay? Okay. I will come and collect from all of your house. See the beautiful plants. Okay, I'm so happy my little ones are having a beautiful garden and you all are taking care of it. So when you learn how to take care of the plants and how to take care of the animals, I think you will be the beautiful and really loving children of our school.
Ma'am.
Okay, so I'm so happy, and I think today this is the introduction that I gave. From the next class, we will learn step by step. Okay, and we will do the activities, we will do the homework, and I think you, my little ones, like 2C children are very smart because I am downloading your classes also. I see you children are giving answer. I am sitting and downloading all your classes. You're getting every day, no? Yeah, I'm doing that work also.
Ma'am.
So I can see you. I'm downloading your class. So I'm the one downloading and sending in the YouTube and your class groups and all. So I'm familiar with your faces and your names. Yeah. Yeah, Serafina Maria, I saw it. See, she has good creation of bottle art and she has planted. Wow, it's really beautiful, really nice. Ameya also is showing me a lot of plants, and I'm sure that others also have this in front of your house. You may not be able to get up and go. Even the Rex Joe is showing me. Rex Joe, do you know what's the name of that flower? Rex, do you know?
Oh.
Yeah, you have to learn the name of that flower. Okay, I know the name of that flower. Let me see, Rex will tell me tomorrow what is the name of that flower. Okay, dear, yeah. I am able to see the beautiful garden and plants in front of your house. Very, very nice. Very nice, okay? Emmanuel, what happened? It's okay. I know some of you cannot get up and go.
Ma'am, this is
Okay,
my
dear.
money
Wow.
plant.
I'm so happy to see all this. Yeah.
Ma'am,
Really good, really good. I'm really happy to see that my children, before learning from me, they are already having a garden. Yeah, gladiolas.
ma'am,
Yeah, yes. I saw it.
ma'am,
Yes, dear Nora, I saw through the window. There are plantain trees.
ma'am, this is my plant.
Yeah, Ameya also, I saw. I know. Most of you will have plants at home. I'm so happy. But one request is that all of you should take care of the plants.
Yes.
All of you should love the
Ma'am,
plants.
I will every day I will wash this flower.
Very good, very good. You have to water, remove the weeds and grass, clean up the place, okay?
Yes.
Yes, dear. Yeah, I'm so happy. So, we'll meet again in the next class. We will learn deeper and deeper. We will learn more names of the flowers, vegetables, and fruit trees. And we will learn how to take care of it. Okay? So for today, I wind up with this introduction. I've given you 2 words. Please do it and see you in the next class. Okay?
Okay, bye, ma'am. I'll send the photo.
Okay, dear. Okay.
Bye,
Take care.
ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye. Bye, ma'am.